Are you experiencing Fire Stick error code 7136? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the device. You mostly get error code 7136 while watching Amazon Prime Video on your Fire Stick. To fix the issue, first restart the device. Navigate to Settings on your Fire TV stick and select My Fire TV. On the next screen, select Restart and then hit Restart again to confirm this operation. Wait until Fire Stick reboots. You can also unplug the Fire TV stick from power for 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Then relaunch the channel or app and check if the issue is fixed. Method 2. Clear the app's cache and data. Go to Fire Stick Settings, then select Applications. Next, select Manage Installed Applications. Then select the problematic app. Here we are selecting this app, for example. Then select Clear Cache. Then you can relaunch the problematic application and see if that works. If you need to log in, then log in with your credentials and check if the app works now. Method 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable high-speed internet connection. You can test the internet speed by visiting speedtest.net on another device. Make sure the device is connected to the same network. Try switching to a different network if available or using a wired Ethernet connection for stability. Method 4. Check for updates to the app and Fire TV Stick OS. Go to Settings, then select My Fire TV. Next, select About and check for software updates. You can open the Amazon App Store, search for the app and check for app updates. Install any update available. Method 5. Contact Amazon Prime Video support. If none of the steps resolve the error code 7136, contact Prime Video support for further assistance. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the experts to resolve the issue. And there you have it, the ways to fix Fire Stick error code 7136. We hope one of the methods has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.